Hello everyone and welcome to my streaming video on kids on staying home in school. And I know school is closed, but you can always learn stuff online to do stuff, and there's something called soft school and IXL, which for kids that staying home from school and get the COVID-19 and can't go to school can do learning stuff online. So can show you. So one is IXL. Is both math and reading, and you go to for your kids, go to IXL.com, sign up, and start learning. Doing this hard times of COVID-19 and no more school. School is closed. You can learn online. So this is the new look and background, and you can go online and sign up and sign in with your password, username. There's different types of learning. So pre-K, first grade, second grade, third grade, 8th, ninth, goes all the way up to it goes all the way up to 8th grade. So in A1 algebra and geometry. So that's the highest you can go. Same with soft school. So for do one, like say you have a toddler, so that's it's between kindergarten and to third grade. So it will be around here. First grade skills. So if you have an infant, you hit one of them. See all different skills. We'll do is select it. Select one. So if you don't know, you can hit these.
A school bus made a stop and one child got off the bus. However, how many children were on the bus just before the stop?
That will be one. So you hit the answer. So if you got it incorrect, it would say it would be 3. So hit the next one. So if you don't know, there's this.
Yesterday, Gary took care of his younger brother and sister. He picked up 9 of his brother's toys and 5 of his sister's toys. How many toys did Gary pick up? . Toys. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . .
This is a newer version of the IXL. It has a voice command built in. So took dying. So you have to answer the question. So it will be. This is like between add and subtraction. So let's try 4. So, so hit the next one. So you read same thing. You read the answer.
Akash has finished reading 7 pages in his library book. The book has a total of 12 pages. How many pages does Akash have left to read?
So finish 7. There's 12 left. So even with soft school, like say you want to be a member, so you can sign up with username, password, and another one with soft school. It's the same as so. Soft school is another website, and you can do educational stuff. Now there's school closures during COVID-19, so you can go online and learn. So soft school is one of them. It's just like IXL. So hit softschools.com. It's same. Click on that. So the same like soft school. It's free. You don't have to sign in or pay, and the website is safe. So it's between first grade, second grade, fourth grade, middle school, high school, fun games, and phonics, and high school is more challenging and a lot tougher. So for your toddlers and kids that's in school and normal school during this COVID event, so you can go to between first pre-K and kindergarten, between first grade or second grade. Try second grade. So you can select one of the topics here for your child to learn. Hit 1. And you hit this. how you play soft school. And for the higher ups is this one. Algebra, pre-algebra, which is tough. Geometry. And for middle school is this one. 6th grade. So the harder it gets, the higher it will be. So for your toddlers, kindergarten, pre-K, and 5th grade might be your best bet. So for the 3rd grade, it will be this one. And there's one 3-digit addition practice and more. So one of them would be these. $15. Select one. Continue. Select an answer. Same thing. Hit the next one. Like that. But I think IXL will be more challenging because you can sign up. Like soft school is free. So just go like this. If so, like say you're doing math with your child, and if you know that 9 plus 9 is 18, so take away 2, it will be 16. Be the same number. Okay. If we know that 5 plus 6 is 11, so 5 plus 7 will be 12. So this is what mainly soft school is. So if you if you have your child that want to learn this stuff, you can go to softschool.com and go to this website and do it for free. IXL, you have a limited amount of time to do it, so and like soft school, you don't have to, or you can try log in and make an account somehow for you. Stuff. 6, 14. So, yep, and that's how you do soft school for all you kids that's not in school and not doing this COVID thing. You can go online, do educational stuff, whether it's soft school or IXL. I don't know if there's others, but I know some of my handicapped friends at Goodwill used to do other ones, but I don't know what was the name. But there's a login, so you can sign up um, with with join the premium subscription of Soft School by doing vocabulary practice for only like 29 or for 30 students a year. You'll create an online account, or if you're already a member, you can sign in at softschool.com, and yeah, that's how you get into educational needs during this COVID-19 season of this time. So thanks for watching my video. I hope anybody likes it. That's okay.